guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're gonna be learning a line dance. It is a 32 count 4-wall line dance. And before we get into the tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys a demonstration of the dance so you guys can see what it looks like first, and then we'll break it down. And of course, if you guys happen to like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, without further ado, let's get dancing. Okay, let's get right into it. So you're gonna do step touches, making a half turn. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna step touch going forward, right, left. Now from here, you're gonna make a quarter turn to your left, and you're gonna step left, right, left, right. So going from the top, we go right, left, left, right. Now you're gonna do another step touch going to your right. So you're gonna step right, left, and then your last step touch is going to finish that half turn. You're going to make a quarter turn to your left, and you're going to step left, right. So going from the top, we go right, left, left, right, right, left, and left, right. Trying it again from the top. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to do a grapevine to your right. You're going to step right, left behind, right, and you're going to hitch with your left foot. So a hitch, you're just going to pick up your knee like that. So you're picking up your foot, and your knee comes up. And that's my left leg. We bring it up. So going from the grapevine, we go right, left behind, step right, lift left, left leg. And you're doing the hitch with the left leg. So that grapevine, again, right, left, right, left. Now from here, your left leg is up. You're going to bring it out and then back in. Then the next time you bring it out, you're going to make a quarter turn to your left and step left, bring the right in. So going from the grapevine, we go right, left behind, right, hitch. By the way, if you don't want to do the hitch, you just bring it down. So again, going from that grapevine, without doing the hitch, it would look like this. Right, left behind, right, together. Keep going. We bring our left leg out, back, in, and out. Right comes in. So the right kind of drags behind and then comes into your left. Whole thing from the top. And 5, 6, here we go. Right, left, left, right, right, left, and left, right, grapevine, right, left behind, right, hitch, out, in, quarter turn, right, in. So going from that hitch, so you bring the left leg out, we're going to kind of slide our right leg, and then we bring it in. Okay, new part. So you're going to do a step together, step, hitch. So it's going to go right, left, right, hitch, left. So that right foot's in front, left foot's right behind, right, left, right, and then we bring that left leg up and we hitch. So going from the grapevine, we go right, left behind, right, hitch, out, in, quarter turn together, step, together, step, hitch. Okay, whole thing from the top. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hitch with that left leg. You're going to make a half turn. You're going to step back left. Now you're going to make a quarter turn right. And now another quarter turn left. Bring that right foot in. So going from the hitch with that left foot, we go back, quarter turn right, quarter turn left, bring the right foot in. One more time, a little bit faster. We hitch with that left foot, ready, and back. Right, left, right. I lied, one more time. Hitch with that left foot, we bring the left foot back, quarter turn right, left, right. We're almost done. Let's do it one more time from the top, and then we'll add the last bit on. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have that right foot in. You're going to go out, out. So your feet are going to be right, left. So right, left. And then you're going to bring your right foot in, and then your left foot in. Right, left. So it goes out, out, in, right, left, left. So out, out, in. And then last part, you're going to make 2 half turns, stepping on that right foot, turning to our left. So right half turn. Now our left foot's in front. We step the right foot in front, and then another half turn. So the 2 half turns, a little bit faster, goes right, turning to our left, right, turning to our left. So going from the new part, we go out, out, in, and half turn, half turn. Again, new part, ready, and out, out, in, and half turn, half turn. And that is the whole dance. So going from the top, and then we'll do it on the new wall. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and half turn, half turn. Last part, so if you're not feeling comfortable with doing the half turn, you can just rock forward and back. So rock forward, back, and I'm using my right foot, so I go right, left, left. So we transfer our weight. So instead of not turning, you could do that instead. But here we are, new wall, same dance. Let's try it on the new wall, going from the top. Starting with those step touches, starting with the right foot. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and half turn, half turn. Okay, new wall, same dance, but what I'm going to do on that last part, instead of doing the 2 half turns, I'm going to just rock forward and back. So for those that want to do that, you can see me doing it as well. So going from the top, step touches, starting with that right foot. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, rock forward and back. Okay, last time, new wall, same dance. Here we go. Get yourself ready. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Half turn, half turn. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out the link below. And if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.